Hi, I'm Skip Levens with Quantum, and today we'd love to tell you about Myriad. Myriad is Quantum's new all-flash file and object storage software that's going to be ideal for animators, VFX, rendering. If you had to do that on lots of different NAS systems before, you can do all of those together on Myriad. And let's face it, these 3D and animation workflows are everywhere. That same expertise, those same workflows are doing special effects everywhere, VFX in every production, but it's also powering those video walls. It's 3D game technology powering those great big video walls. So if you have expertise in that, we think you're really going to want to take a look at Myriad. Myriad is deployed with the same software they use to deploy the cloud. It uses Kubernetes and is able to automatically respond to changes in Myriad. So let's say you want to add more storage, you add a bare metal server. Myriad is intelligent enough to discover that new system, push new software to it, automatically level it, push new features to it. It really is responsive, and it's got some other incredible features I'll show you on the interface. So here, I've got Myriad up. Now, as you use Myriad, it is automatically working with the data you store. It's a redirect on write file system, and that means that when you write a new version of, say, some critical animation models, it never overwrites the original one. It writes it to new regions on Myriad, and that means you can always roll back to that earlier version. That also means it deduplicates as you use it. So in this case, depending on what we have, we've just started up this Myriad, 21 petabytes potentially of free space, but look, it's already compacted down that data to almost 31 to 1. So all your users see and use it just as if it's full files and folders, but it's compacted a tremendous amount. It's using NVMe drives inside, and Myriad is able to lay your data out with erasure coding, so and is able to do some pretty critical things you need if you're running an animation or VFX shot. How about snapshotting all of your data in place? So let's say I want to create a file system. It's a virtual file system, and I just want it for maybe a new team that stood up. So let's create a new file system. Let's call it Astro. I create a new file system, and now everybody on that animation project has their own file system, and at any time I can grab a file system and build a snapshot of it and always roll back to that. So you can sleep better at night knowing that you're protecting all of your animation software, and sometimes user error happens. Well, this is a way for you to roll back and protect all of that. So that's just one of the ways that we're trying to make animation, VFX, and rendering all on one system like Myriad, make your life a little easier. We'd love you to learn more at quantum.com.